All right, we got ourselves some nice fresh bluefin tuna. Let's cook it. First thing we gotta do is we gotta cut this thing up a little bit. I don't want it to fall apart in the grill. There's one little bone that runs through here. That's gonna be my first line. Just gonna cut on one side of it. That'll be one piece. Cut the little piece of bone out. There isn't much, but I don't want to deal with that. That's flat. It's flat on both sides. And that's flat. So we're gonna do a teriyaki marinade. It's good stuff. I don't really make my own, I just buy this. This stuff's perfect. We're also gonna do some oil on both. All right. Ooh, that looks good. It looks like beef. These two, we're gonna do just some oil in there, not a whole lot. Drop in the fish. Mix it up. I'm just gonna use the rest of this because, you know, why not? I mean, to use it for a while. This is good stuff anyway. Float it up. I'm gonna leave some air in there so I can grab it like that. This isn't the super fragile stuff. Toss it all around, whatever you want to do. And then these bits, I'm gonna put onto this tray. Spray it with oil on one side. Rub it all in. And for this Chef Paul magic, I'm just gonna use this by itself. There's a bee flying around. Again. Yes, I am using this heavily. Don't worry about it. That's the way it's meant to be used. Rub it in. And you just had a good seasoning. Make sure every little bit of that surface is covered. Get all the excess up. Oh, it smells so good. Smell-o-vision would be cool, but at the same time it wouldn't. Because, you know, gross stuff is on TV and YouTube. I'm not going to give any examples. We're going to come back to this and that. Cover it all up too. And we're going to change the propane tank because I forgot. My shitty grill. All right, we're gonna come back to this and let it heat up for a little bit. Some people find what I do right now dangerous, but I actually like spraying oil directly on the grates of the grill. You can see it gives it a light coating. Yeah, it smokes a lot, but that's whatever. That's why you have a grill outside anyway. All right, teriyaki, especially this one for me, it sticks a lot. I'm just gonna plop both these on here at the same time. Kind of looks like soy sauce soaked watermelon. Looks good. It hasn't been on there for very long, but that's okay. Just gonna get better shots of this. We're gonna do these first. Okay. It wants to release itself, that's good. Let's flip the back one first. Oh, that looks really good. Woo, yeah. Looks like a steak. Ooh, yes. It's only been a couple of minutes each side. Oh, I can't easily take it off the grill yet. This one, yeah, but this one, no, not this one. I'm not saying it's cooked yet. I also like to stand them up on the side like that. More surface area to the grill, more flavor. Okay, that one's ready now. I'm not worried about having my tuna well done, but I'm not going to overcook it. I'm going to take it off when it's about medium well. That one's ready to come off. Ow. Now we're doing this. Uncle Ben's. Not worried about getting putting more oil on. Just gonna toss these on. Now these might cook a little quicker, and they might not. It's gonna be a little bit less flame involved, a lot less liquid and moisture. Ooh, that's got a nice color to it. Ooh, that looks pretty. Well, it's got a little bit less color on it, but it's whatever. I'm not worried about that. That's definitely the best one, though. Yeah, boy. I just wish I had flame up here. It's all back there. Oh, damn, that was good. Oh, let's finish these off. I'm starving. I hope you are too. If you like this video so far, maybe you should subscribe. Hit the notification bell. The smell of this stuff is amazing. Alrighty. Let these cool a little bit and let's eat. Everything's nice and cooled off. Now I can finally eat with my hands. Let's try the teriyaki first. Break it open. Oh, that comes apart so nice. Tiny bit of pink in the middle. That's exactly what I wanted. Thank you all for all the support and the love. I really appreciate all of it. You guys are never gonna regret this. You can also do this with any kind of tuna, by the way. Let's try it. Oh man, it melts in your mouth. That's my piece. That whole thing is my piece. Oh my, it's awesome. The muscle fibers are so small in this it kind of just like breaks apart in your mouth. This is gonna have a different texture to it, so we'll see. This is from a different part of the belly where the muscle fiber, the muscle things are way longer, way bigger. There's a lot more connective tissue like you see right there. But yeah, this is gonna be awesome. Oh. Oh, it still melts in your mouth. Oh. Oh, I can't even pull it apart. That's a little muscle fiber thing right. The glassy meat on tuna tastes more like turkey when it's cooked. This is way better. This is way better. This is how I want tuna to taste all the time. Well, I'm gonna try not to eat the rest of this, but I hope everybody has a great night. And eat your damn fish. Bye bye.